Let's make a common residential building. First, outline the outer contour. Generate the building volume. Unfold the building facade into a plane. Draw the positions of doors and windows on the unfolded plane. Duplicate according to the floors. Use the wall function to create the wall thickness. And open the door and window openings. Zoom in to have a look. Also outline the reference plane for the balcony. Also create the reference plane for the air conditioning shroud. Draw the lines of the door and window frames on the plane. Use the tube function to generate the door and window frames. Define the completed doors, windows, and balconies as component. The completed component can be saved for convenient use in other projects in the future. Project the component onto the reference planes of the doors and windows. Also project the balcony and the air conditioning shroud onto the facade. Create the roof. Create the waistline. Separate the materials. Duplicate a unit. Use the rendering tool to apply materials. Then throw it into any AI rendering website to generate the image.